Welcome to Market Peeker. Cryptocurrencies are evolving fast, and the future looks promising. Today, we'll explore key trends and predictions shaping the crypto world. First, mass adoption is gaining momentum. Governments, institutions, and even retail businesses are exploring blockchain and crypto. Expect more countries to integrate crypto into financial systems and more businesses accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. Next, regulations will tighten. As crypto grows, governments worldwide are working on clearer rules. While it might slow innovation, regulation could also bring legitimacy and attract cautious investors. Decentralized finance is another big trend. From lending platforms to decentralized exchanges, DeFi is reshaping how we interact with money. Keep an eye on new DeFi projects that aim to improve accessibility and security. Then there's blockchain scalability. As adoption grows, projects like Ethereum are transitioning to faster, more energy-efficient solutions like proof of stake. Improved scalability means smoother transactions and more use cases. Finally, NFTs and the Metaverse will continue expanding. From gaming to virtual real estate, NFTs are more than just art. They're creating entire ecosystems of digital ownership. Pro tip: diversify your investments and stay informed. The crypto market is unpredictable, but knowledge is your best tool.